Welcome to the course Material Design. The task today is interactive materials in language learning. Design activities for development of listening and speaking skill by Maria Alejandra Rios Ramirez. In this BLO, a couple of exercises will be done to develop listening and speaking skills for our learning process in the second language. Objectives. The first objective is recognize the different styles of activity to develop listening and oral conversation in face-to-face and virtual environment in foreign language classroom. The second objective is show how important listening and speaking skills are and guide this on their use in the teaching process and design of the materials. Listening materials. For face-to-face environments, we can do some activity like listen to a conversation, like dispute, radio, broadcasts, speakers, or skit. Other activities listen to teacher prompts, broadcasts, and records audio. Other activity listen to a broadcast, radio, television, and the news. Other activities listen to point sound, CD, web, or podcasts. Other activities listen to an audio recordings, podcasts, and records that's audio. Other activities listen to presentation software or audio conference. And other activity listen to stores, books, or CDs. These activities are in a face-to-face and environments. We can do assign activities in virtual environments with other elements that we can use. For example, when we are listening to conversation, we can use CD play with audio key and audio conference. Listen to teacher prompts, we can use postcard and record audio. Listen to our podcasts, we can use the weights, credits, or podcasts. Listen to point sound, you can use it CD with ease or both. Listening to on audio records and use the postcard or wide audio CDs. Listen to presentation. The presentation can be is short word or video of conference. Listen to stores. We can use it with and postcard. This is the to improve the listening skill in our students. And speaking myself is very important to make re- pronunciation. That's because in pronunciation that's the students may count confidence and self-esteem, and every time they repeat the words, they repeat the sentence, they give birth. So it is important to do it in parents. You can have you can make conversation about topic, and they change the round, and you can do it 4 or 5 times in the class. Occurs 2 times that you have to develop those activities. Perform activities. It is important to make these activities because students start to lose this the fears of talking public. So the teacher is afraid of a student before an activity in front of him or the class play. The material is in speaking, have production, prose, new interactive, shaken and authentic, because the student always have to feel the meaning of the learning, and because speaking is going to open the world for them. So every time that you may materials, design materials, you have to choose this essence. Conclusion. The activities must be fun because they need to enjoy the learnings and make an approach of the language. They have to develop confidence and self-esteem when they have to speak, because this skill is very important for teens. Listening skill is an interactive process in which information is transfers thoughts, sound, news, gospels is to interpret a communicative purpose. The development of listening activity using different skills such as grammatical, discourse, social skills, and strength. Thank you very much.